Zombie house flip. Haha. You have expecting to see some zombies really coming out of the dirt here. But let me show you what's going on in the back. We are waterproofing the exterior north wall. That's where all the fun stuff was always coming in. So you can see a little digger there. It's all dug out. This clay was so full of water, it was pushing against this wall over here, and the wall was kind of bowing, right? So not only are we digging out to waterproof, we're gonna push it in from the inside. We're gonna jack it up so it levels up again. And then we're gonna secure it by pouring cement, putting down cement in each one of these cinder blocks. That'll hold it, the weight will hold it, because right now it's hollow, obviously. So, how beautiful is that? Zombies coming out. This house is turning out to be a really, really nice piece of property. Someone's gonna be super happy. Let me just show you the jack up on the back here. Sorry.
Hello.
Right there. There's the jacks.
I mean, like right on the money. So
Pushing it back in position. All right. Follow us on the rest of this project while we get it sorted.